Assalamualaikum. Here we will discuss about the arrangement of particles in different states of matter. Particles in solid are usually arranged in a regular pattern, are tightly packed. It means that there is very little spaces between them. Therefore, solid cannot be compressed easily. Vibrate about a fixed position but do not move from place to place, have less energy than liquid and gaseous particles. Now we will discuss about the arrangement of particles in liquid. Particles in liquid are arranged in an irregular pattern, are close to each other, vibrate, move about, and slide past each other. Have more energy than the particles of solid but have less energy than the particles of gases. Now we will discuss about the arrangement of particles in gases. Particles in gases have no regular arrangement, are placed far apart from each other, therefore, they are easily compressible, move freely at high speed, have the highest energy as compared to the particles of solid and liquid. We will discuss about the changes of state. Heating and cooling can change a substance from a one state to another. If a solid changes into liquid when it is heated, this is called melting. For example, ice changes into water when you take it out of the freezer. A liquid changes into solid when it is cooled. This is called freezing. For example, water changes into ice when it is kept for some times in a freezer. A gas changes into liquid if it is cooled. This is called condensation. For example, if you put ice cube into a glass of water and keep this glass at room temperature, you see tiny droplets on the outside surface of the glass. This is due to the process of condensation. A liquid changes into gas when it absorbs heat from its surrounding. This is called evaporation. For example, sun heats up in a puddle. The water in a puddle slowly disappears. It moves into air as a gas called water vapor. When solid changes into gas without being converted into liquid, this is called sublimation. Thank you.